We all know that apple cider vinegar is great for many things. It has many uses and it's a great home remedy. We also know that you should check with the doctor before using certain things. And you can also just consider different health problems you may have. One of the things that I didn't really think about or consider when I began to do the apple cider vinegar is that it does lower blood sugar to a certain degree. However, depending on the amount that you're taking of apple cider vinegar and what you've eaten or not eaten, I think that it can be very harmful and may lower your blood sugar too fast. So you have to be careful. You can't just, you know, like I was taking it but not eating necessarily right, meaning I wasn't eating enough. And then I was also taking the apple cider vinegar, and it was lowering my blood sugar really low, making me sick, and I didn't know what was going on for a while. So I don't think that is a dangerous thing to take, but I do think that you need to consider what you're doing when you are taking apple cider vinegar because it could possibly lower your blood sugar and make you feel bad. It could also maybe dangerously lower your blood sugar depending on whether you may already be on a diet and then you're taking the apple cider vinegar and then hey, so it made me feel really bad and it was not good for me uh, with the diet routine that I had at that time. So just be careful and also check with the doctor and make sure that you don't lower your sugar too low with this product. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you subscribe, share, and like for more videos. I do reviews on different products, and I also do lots of affirmations. I do also some other, just some other things, some recipes, challenges, but most of all, I like to do reviews on products, reviews, and I try out different hacks and different recipes and different remedies, and I'll let you know the outcome. So subscribe, share, and like, and please comment